Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to know if someone unmatched you on Tinder. So to know this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder app, and after that go to your chat, and if you can't find the person that you are talking with or your match, you can't find him on the new matches place or in the messages place. Here there is two options. The first one is that Tinder deactivated the account of that person for identity verification, and his or her account will be back after the verification is completed. And the second one, that this person unmatched you on the app. And to know if he really unmatched you, you have to create a new account or to use another Tinder account and try to swipe in the place that this person is located on it. And to make the swiping a little bit more easier for you, you can use those discovery settings to put the age range of that person or the maximum distance to get that person. And it may take some time from you, but this is the only method to be sure that this person unmatched you. Of course, like I said, if his or her account was not deactivated from Tinder for identity verification. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.